Hey guys! I'm back with another video. Today, I'm bringing you part 3 of our Low Income Resources series. If you haven't seen parts 1 and 2, I highly recommend you check those out first so you don't miss any tips. But today, we're diving deep into all kinds of cash assistance, from emergency home repairs to tax relief, and so much more. So, if you're ready to find out how to get this money, you already know what to do. Stay tuned because I have got you covered. And if you're new here, on Financial Futures, we're all about helping you save, shop smart, and get the benefits you deserve. I'd love for you to be part of my online family, so go ahead, hit that big red subscribe button, and let me know in the comments that you're rolling with me. Before we jump in, drop your state down in the comments and let me know what kind of assistance you're looking for so I can help find programs specifically for your area. And remember, 211 is always available for local assistance resources. Thank you all for the love and comments you share on these videos. It motivates me to keep finding more resources for you. Let's kick off this list with a property tax freeze for my seniors. Seniors in St. Louis County, listen up! Right now, they're accepting applications to freeze your property taxes at the current rate, so they won't go up in the future. This opportunity started on October 1, and they've already received over 11,000 applications. But don't worry, it's not too late to apply. To qualify, you must be at least 62 years old, own your property, and live there as your primary residence. And good news, applications are open until June 30, 2025. Philadelphia also has a similar program, and other places like Minnesota and New York have offered rebates, so check your local offices to see what's available. Next up, let's talk about Salem, Massachusetts, where they're rolling out a guaranteed income pilot program. This initiative provides $500 a month for 12 months to 100 residents. Applications open on October 28, and while it's a lottery system, $500 a month can make a huge difference. Now, how about free laundry services? Tampa has free laundry services for residents affected by recent hurricanes. And Massachusetts has laundromats offering free wash and dry services every Wednesday, with supplies included. Rochester, New York, even has a pilot program distributing free laundry cards to homeless and senior residents. It's all about community support. For my seniors, let's talk about Chore Assistance. Michigan's Holly Township's Senior Chore Program provides help with lawn care, gutter cleaning, and other yard maintenance for seniors 62 and older. And in California, there's a program where volunteers come into your home to help with daily chores like laundry and dishes. Look into local chore assistance or senior help programs in your area for this kind of support. Alright, moving on to emergency home repairs for homeowners in Arlington, Texas. The Arlington Housing Authority has a grant offering up to $10,000 for low-income homeowners who need urgent repairs. This is a grant, not a loan, so it doesn't need to be repaid. As long as you're current on your property taxes, you could qualify to fix critical home issues like broken AC units or plumbing. Lastly, let's talk about wellness screenings. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, but there are health screenings offered year-round, including mammograms and dental screenings for those who are uninsured. In some areas, local libraries even have free blood pressure machines to help you stay on top of your health. Health is wealth, so take advantage of these resources. So there you have it, some amazing resources for low-income families and seniors. Whether you're looking to lock in your property taxes, get a $10,000 repair grant, or access free laundry services, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check out parts 1 and 2 of this series for even more resources. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please share it with someone who could benefit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.